morning viewers, this is Amrita and you are watching Let's Explore Together. Today we are going to discuss the uses of since and for, where we should use since and where we should use for. Let's see these two sentences. The first sentence is, I have been teaching dash 10 years. What we will use here, since or for. Both have the same meaning in Hindi. Since means say, for means say. So what do you think what we should use here, whether since or for? The second sentence is, दूसरा sentence है, she has been watering the plant dash 2 o'clock. वह 2 घंटे से पौधों में पानी देती आ रही है या दे रही है. So let's find out this, whether we will use since or for. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it so that more and more people get benefit from this. अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करना ना भूलें. So let's watch the video and find out the correct use of since and for. Now let's see the difference between since and for. In Hindi, the meaning, as I told you, is the same. It means say. Since is used for the point of time. When we are talking about the exact time, we use since. Let's see some examples. Name of the days. If you are taking the name of any days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we will use since, because when I am saying since Monday, that means I am talking exactly about Monday. I am not talking about Tuesday or Wednesday. I am talking about Monday. So we will use since Monday. Now the second one is name of the month. If we are talking about any the name of the month, that is January to December, we will use since, because if I am saying since January or since February, that means I am talking about February, not any other month. Got it? So exact point of time we use since. Now the next one is since January, since 1980. When I am saying since 1980, that means I am talking about this year only, 1980. I am not talking about 2020 or 2000. Part of the day, parts of the day, that means morning, noon, sunset, midnight, afternoon, night. For these parts of the day, we will use since, because when I am saying that I have been working since morning, that means I am talking about morning, not I am talking about the night. So always remember, for the parts of the day, whether it's morning, noon, sunset, midnight, night, afternoon, evening, we will use since. The next one is that when you are talking about the exact time, that means o'clock. Since 5 o'clock, that means I am talking about 5 o'clock, not 6 o'clock, not 7 o'clock. Since 6:30 a.m. If you are using a.m. and p.m. also, then also we are talking about exact time, so we will use since there. The next one is yesterday. Yesterday, last night. Always remember yesterday, last night, last week. With these we use since. That means we are talking about the last week only. Since spring, winter, that means for the season also we use since. Next one is when any occasion. For any occasion also we use since. Since Christmas, since Deepavali, since Holi, you can use that. Since last Monday. When in any word you are using with any date or day you are using last, you will use since. Got it? With these type of situations we use since there. Otherwise, for the rest we use for. Now let's see this for. For means a period of time. Period of time means the exact time you don't know. Okay, there is a confusion. Okay, for 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, when I am saying 30 minutes, 30 minutes of morning 30 minutes or evening 30 minutes. When I am saying 2 hours, for 2 hours, which 2 hours? That is 12 to 2 in the noon, or it was the 2 hours of night, that is the 8 to 10. So confusion is there. So that's why we will use for. It's showing the period of time. For 5 weeks, you don't know the exact week, which week there. For 5 days, which 5 days? Monday, to Friday or any other day. Confusion is there. So for you will use. For many weeks. Which many weeks? So here also there is exact time you are not getting. So that's why you will use for. The next one is for several months. Several months. The point is, it's not showing the point, it's showing the period of time. That's why we will use for here. The next one is for a minute. For a minute. We will use this for an hour. For a long period of time. The last 5 hours. Here when you are using the time which is not exact, for before that you will use the last or the past. Always remember that. And here for the exact time we are not using the here. We will only say last Monday, last night, last week. You will use that. And here the last one is for 2 seasons. Which 2 seasons? Person is not getting the exact figure. So that's why we will use for here. So guys, I hope that you all understood where we should use since and for. So let's fill these 2 sentences and find out which one is the correct. The first one is, the first sentence which I gave you was, I have been teaching dash 10 years. Here 10 years is there. 10 years, that means what? Which 10 years I am talking about, nobody knows. Okay, so 10 years. Confusion is there. It's not a point of time. So we will use here for 10 years. Okay. Now here, she has been watering the plant dash 2 o'clock. When I'm saying 2 o'clock, that means I'm talking about the exact time. I'm talking about the point of time. So that's why here we will use since. Okay. So guys, like this only you practice it. All the rules in the mind, in which situation we use since and in which situation we use for. Hope you all understood it. And still, if you have any confusion, if you have any question, don't forget to write in the comment box and clarify all your doubts. Hope guys you all understood everything very nicely, and do subscribe my channel. Once again I am telling you, अगर आपने मेरा channel subscribe नहीं किया है तो please subscribe करें और share ज़रूर करें. Thank you. It was really nice teaching you and have a good day. Bye.